A blessed day to each and everyone, especially to our dearest professor, Dr. Marciano Melchor. Under his class, Educ 104, International Standard Organization, or ISO. I am your beautiful reporter for today, Teacher Maria Camille T.Osorio from Manuel A. Rojas Elementary School. I am going to share to you my report about ISO 13485 medical devices. In order for us to understand this medical device, we need first to understand what is ISO. Again, what is ISO? The International Standard Organization, or ISO, is an international non-governmental organization made up of national standard bodies. It develops and publishes a wide range of proprietary, industrial, and commercial standards and is comprised of representatives from various national standards organizations. The organization's abbreviated name, ISO, is not an acronym. It derived from the ancient Greek word isos, meaning equal or equivalent. What is ISO 13485 ISO 13485 is designed to be used by organizations involved in the design, production, installation, and servicing of medical devices and related services. It can also be used by internal and external parties, such as certification bodies, to help them with their auditing processes. Is an internationally agreed standard that sets out the requirements for a quality management system specific to the medical devices industry. Certification to ISO 13485. Certification to ISO 13485 is not a requirement of the standard. An organization can reap many benefits from implementing the standard without undergoing the certification process. However, third-party certification can demonstrate to regulators that you have met the requirements of the standard. ISO does not perform certification. What is medical devices? A medical device is an instrument, apparatus, implement, machine, implant, inverter reagent, or other similar article that is intended for use in a diagnosis, prevention, and treatment of disease or other medical conditions. Example of these medical devices, these include simple devices like wound dressing and scalpels, durable devices like wheelchair and dentist chairs, implantable devices like cardiac pacemakers and monitors, prosthetic limbs and prosthetic joints, life-supporting devices like respirators and lung ventilators, sophisticated software-controlled devices like CT scanners and MRI machines, and intro-vitro diagnostic reagents and test kits. What is quality management system? A quality management system, or QMS, is a set of policies, processes, and procedures that help an organization meet the requirements expected by its stakeholders. It is based on a plan, do, check, act cycle, a four-step management method used in business for the control and continual improvement of the processes and products. In the medical devices industry, a QMS is required by regulators in most countries. ISO 13485 enables an organization to consistently provide safe and effective medical devices and fulfill customer and regulatory requirements. It is also flexible enough to meet the individual needs of different types of medical devices organizations. What benefits will it bring to my organization? Safe and performance of medical devices are paramount in this highly regulated industry. This is why quality management systems are a regulatory or legal requirement in many countries. ISO 13485 can help organizations involved in any part of a medical device's life cycle. 1. Demonstrate compliance with regulatory and legal requirements. 2. Ensure the establishment of QMS practices that consistently yield safe and effective medical devices. 3. Manage risk effectively. 4. Improve processes and efficiencies as necessary. And 5. Gain a competitive advantage. Why was ISO 13485 revised? All ISO standards are reviewed and revised regularly to make sure they remain relevant to the marketplace. ISO 13485 2016 respond to the latest QMS practices, reflecting the evolution in medical device technology and changes in regulatory requirements and expectations. This ensures that the standard remains compatible with other management system standards, including the new edition of ISO 9001. Leaving you all with the quote, "The chapter you're learning today is going to save someone's life tomorrow. Pay attention." By Kangal_We Hearted. Thanks for watching. God bless everyone!